Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to append elements into a dictionary in Swift. Let's go ahead and create a mutable variable verdict and set this equals to square brackets. I will set the first key as 1 and its value as ABC, and the second one, the key is 2 and I will set the value as CDE. Alright, very simple. Now how we can add values into this dictionary? To do that, we can use this variable name by calling like this: dict dot update value and parentheses. Inside parentheses we have to pass in the first argument as the value, right? Not key. The first argument is the value. Here CDE, E, actually E was there, we can say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that, and then the key. Now this is the place that we want to put the key. Now here we have to specify what is the parameter type by doing for key and then colon. We can define here we are going to add the key. Now let's provide the key as tree. Now we can just go ahead and print our dictionary. Alright, now you can see this element has been added into our dictionary